Alright, coming to you with Transformers Legends Misfire. And its target master is Aimless. This is the LG52, the Takara Tomy version. And here he is in all his glory. It's Aimless right there. And there's Misfire. Then his headmaster. Here's what he looks like in his box. Size of it, top of the box here. This is the bottom. Here he is. I got him from Ami and they have free expedited shipping. So he was sent out Saturday night and he got him today on Wednesday. So yeah, it's pretty fast shipping. All right, let's see how he looks out of the box. Right here he is out of his box. As you can see, the pink is a little more light compared to his Hasbro counterpart. Definitely the pink is lighter than his Hasbro counterpart. Let's get the Opticon symbol on his chest here. He's got the port here for his target master. And then the decals or some of the paint jobs are different from the Hasbro one. Here he is with the Hasbro one here. You can see the Hasbro one's on my left, and it's darker than the Takara one on my right. And usually it's the other way around, but yeah, this time is different. The Hasbro one's got the paint on his shin right here, painted the designs on his shin, along with the ones on the tip there. The Takara one doesn't. And then Hasbro also got the Decepticon symbol on the nose cone. And then the Takara one's got it on the two wings. And these here are painted on the Takara one. Well, these are not. And also the difference is the cockpit. The dark blue compared to a light blue. Turn it around on the bottom side. It's got the symbol, Decepticon symbol. Typograph on the chest, none on the arms, and the Hasbro one's got the two on one on each arm. You can see here. There's a big difference for sure in pink shades. So let's look again next to each other. Here are the two Titan Masters. Hasbro's on my left, the Takara one's on my right. Differences are shades of pink, and then of course the black screw in the chest, and then the Takara one's got a red visor, opposed to the Hasbro one's got the blue visor, and then their legs are different colors too as well. This is molded in black plastic. This is like in the white one, and then his fists are painted in a gunmetal color. And as for face-wise, the Hasbro one's got like a pinkish face, while the Takara one's got the white one. And then for the head, Takara one's painted black. Turn to the side. The Takara one's been painted gunmetal for the size of his arms and legs. And then here are their Misfire's face. The biggest difference would be the visors definitely. Hasbro's got the blue visor, Takara one's got the red visor, and then also the face paint color too. The Takara one's got a white finish to it, and then the Hasbro's got like a light purplish lavender, looks like. So here are the two headmasters, side by side. And here it is. Target Master, Aimless. Here's how he looks like. It's a blue color. He's got some silver paint on him. He's molded in gray or silver plastic. And then of course the barrel is in the clear plastic. Go ahead and transform him. Got the two pegs right here that peg into the two slots right there. There's one, there's two, and here is Aimless. These little time masters, to me, they look pretty neat. I do like them a lot. I'm not sure what else I'm planning to, get other than Slugslinger, but yeah, these little guys are pretty neat. Then here he is on Misfire. He's angled a little bit up. But there he is. Here's Misfire in all his glory. Right there. This is bot mode. He looks great. Looks beautiful. No regrets on picking him up, for sure. Alright, and here he is with the Hasbro version. As you can see, differences are shades of purple. This is more of a darker pink or, purple, and this one's definitely a magenta or lighter shade of pink. There are differences in paint apps as well. Then to top it off, of course, he comes with a Target Master, while this guy comes with a very typical two-piece sled gun, whatever you want to call it. Alright, this is over the comparison for the two robots, and then hopefully I'll be able to get the Slugslinger next month when it gets released. I can't wait for him neither. But yes, I am. So far I'm loving these Decepticon Target Masters released by Takara. Another comparison I have to do with this, here he is with the first release Decepticon Target Master Trigger Happy. Man, these two guys look good together. They definitely do. There are definitely differences too, but yeah, they do look awesome together. I like them together. Can't wait till Slugslinger comes out next month. Here they are, each with their own Target Master in hand. Alright guys, keep an eye out for more content, hopefully within the coming month or so. So, alright, till then, I hope you enjoy your Transformers and happy holidays.